Hey guys, this is Akhil from Installer and today we have the Honor View 20 with us. The smartphone carries a lot of world's first but soon common 2019 features. The Honor View 20 is the first phone in India to feature a punch hole display. So without any further ado, let's quickly have a look at it. Let's start with what's all inside the box of the Honor View 20. The first thing inside the box is the Honor View 20 smartphone itself in Magic Night Black color variant. The phone feels expensive, solid and surprisingly compact given the display size. We'll talk more about the smartphone in a while. Next we have a TPU jelly case included inside the box. It's a transparent case and it's always good to include first party cases inside the box. Next we have a USB Type-C cable to charge the device. And at last we have an amazing 40-watt supercharger, which is one of the fastest chargers available right there. The charger is rated at 10 watts 4 amperes at its maximum capacity that uses Huawei's proprietary supercharge technology. So that's all we have inside the box of the View 20 smartphone. Now let's have a look at the smartphone and see what all does it have to offer. The first thing that we observe about this device is its display. It looks like a full bezel-less notch-free display, but actually it's not. It's an 6.4-inch IPS LCD display, which Honor is calling it as all-view display. The display has a laser-drilled hole to house the front-facing camera, and it seems like a better implementation than having a wider notch at the center. The Honor View 20 is powered by a high-silicon Kirin 980 chipset, just like the one we have seen on the Mate 20 Pro. And the magic to this flagship chipset is that it's built on the 7nm process. It's an octa-core chipset accompanied by a Mali G76 MP10 GPU. Also, because the phone has a GPU Turbo 2.0 technology accompanied by AI Smart Cooling, which uses combination of AI and heat tube to improve thermal performance. The unit that we have got has a 128GB of internal storage with 6GB of RAM and is backed by a 4000 mAh battery. This device has a dual SIM card slot which can support 2 SIM cards at the same time, and there is no external SD card slot available on this device. The Honor View 20 comes with a new Magic UI on top of Android Pie, and we know it looks exactly similar to the EMUI, but Honor has promised that there will be significant changes in the future developments of the Magic UI. The Magic UI has all the features from EMUI, and here are a couple of cool features that we have seen in the Magic UI. The first one is the digital balance, which is the Honor's equivalent to digital well-being feature from Google. Also, there are smart control features that allow you to control your device with gestures and voice control. Honor has introduced High Touch, which is an alternative to Google Lens. It gets triggered over any image by holding 2 fingers on the image, and it will show where to buy it. Apart from these, you get an option to completely hide the pinhole camera and replacing with a black bar at the top. And also there's an option for NFC enabled payments from this device. There's a fingerprint sensor on the back, and there's also support for face unlock. The fingerprint sensor is circular in shape and is easy to set up and works really well. The face unlock works also great and works perfectly even in dark environments. Another much talked about feature of the Honor View 20 is its rear 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.8 aperture, and it's not theoretically a 48MP sensor, but the sensor captures a 12MP image with 4-in-1 pixel binding, which Huawei is calling a light fusion technology. It results in excellent images that are crisp, not as crisp as the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, but these are actually good images. In addition to the main camera, there's a 3D time of flight based secondary camera that can sense the depth of surroundings up to 25 meters, where the current depth sensors can do about 2 to 5 meters. This is exciting and we need to test it out to know more about it. And beyond this, it's also possible to create 3D maps of people, places and even play Kinect-like games. And here are some of the camera samples that we took with the Honor View 20 camera. Let's have a look at it. At the front we have a 25MP camera with f2.0 aperture. The front camera is decent and captures good images in bright daylight. The Honor V20 takes it to the next level with a V-shaped glossy pattern at the back, a super comfortable grip, and an excellent metal glass combination for the build that feels premium and strong. The pricing and availability of the Honor V20 is not yet known by the time of making of this video, but the smartphone is launching in India on 29 January, and the device might be priced to somewhat similar to the pricing of the OnePlus 60, and we'll keep you posted and we'll let you know more about it. So how do you like the latest offering from Honor? Did you like the Honor V20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and please like the video if you like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This was Akhil from Install or Not, and stay tuned for more coverage on the Honor V20 smartphone.